back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
I ain't going there. Casey Burdett, Dalton Smith, that's going to be your front row. Matt Hamilton, Dave Pinkerton, Adam Colley, and Corey Skipton. Green's out, we're racing. Casey Burdett, quick on that loud pedal. Smith in the 05 trying to hang right there with him. Pinkerton trying to work the high side of that racetrack. A lot of bounce on that machine. Also that 9 machine right now in third. That is going to be Hamilton. Pinkerton working right through the middle of that racetrack. Up in front, it is now the 05 new leader. That's going to be Dalton Smith. Dalton Smith, Casey Burdett going to slide job back under him. Smith now, man, it's going to be a battle up front. I can see this one for the next 8 laps. Lap number 2 going to go in the books this time. Casey Burdett, Dalton Smith at the line. Give it to Dalton Smith. Hamilton, then Pinkerton rounds out your top 4 to transfer. Up in front, it's still tooth and nail, but here comes the third one into the fray. Matt Hamilton going to try to get up into that mix. Who's going to have it at the line this time? Give it to Dalton Smith over Casey Burdett and Hamilton. Hamilton in third. Smith now. Casey looked at trying to do a slide job. Didn't have the momentum to get there. Dalton Smith, your leader. Casey Burdett. Now here comes Matt Hamilton. He's trying to work underneath. 4 in, 4 to go. Your final to transfer is going to be Fireball Pinkerton. Then it's going to be Adam Colley and Dustin Sword. Dalton Smith out in front now. Casey Burdett, a lot of pressure from the 9 machine of Matt Hamilton. Dalton Smith, Casey Burdett, Matt Hamilton, Fireball Pinkerton. Again, those 4 looking to transfer. On the outside looking in, it's going to be Adam Colley and Corey Skipton and Adam Colley. Going to be 2 to go this time, and now the battle back there for second. Still out in front, it's going to be Dalton Smith. Casey Burdett is in a battle back there with Matt Hamilton. Dalton Smith, Casey Burdett, Matt Hamilton. Fireball Pinkerton smoothly back there at that 4th and final transfer. Now you see Burdett slide up just a little bit, trying to get a run down the front stretch. Just about a 1.5 second lead between first and second. Checkered flag in hand coming off corner number 4. We're going to give it to the 05 machine of Dalton Smith. In second, that's going to be Casey Burdett into KC 44. Then it's going to be Hamilton in the 9, Pinkerton in the 8. Going to the B main, it'll be Corey Skipton and Adam Colley. It's your winner in heat race number 2 in the 05 machine. That'll be Dalton Smith. Then it's going to be Casey Burdett, Matt Hamilton, Fireball Pinkerton. That's your 4 to transfer. Wow, what a battle up there for that one. So right now we've got him coming down the backstretch. Nice and easy. Jason Montgomery, Daniel Diener, Ty Norder, Jared Clay, Weasel Philpott, Joe Buskirk. Montgomery. Go into quarter number 1, Jason Montgomery right through the middle of that racetrack. Going to let that big dog work up just a little bit. Diener going to be right there with him in that 41 machine. Then the 5 of Ty Norder. Norder all the way from North Carolina. Oh, Diener really tried to square down off that corner. Wow, almost took the nose off of Norder in that 5 machine. But in the meantime, Jason Montgomery out in front, Diener in second, then it's going to be Ty Norder. Norder and Clay going to round out your top 4. It's going to be Weasel Philpott, Joe Buskirk. But right now, Jason Montgomery out in front. Just over half a second, 2 laps in, 6 to go. The 5 machine, Ty Norder, trying to do anything he can to make up the ground, but it just isn't happening right now. That high line right now through 3 and 4 just really working for Jason Montgomery. Jason Montgomery, 3 laps in, 5 to go. Montgomery right now just walking the easy side. He's got to get into that rhythm that we talk about a lot here at Atomic Speedway. Gets in that rhythm and just lets that big dog eat. Montgomery way high in 3 and 4, and that's the way he likes it. 4 in, 4 to go. Diener in second, Norder, then Jared Clay, your 4 to transfer. Just better than halfway in. Jason Montgomery works that car through 3 and 4. Diener now kind of following in the same footprint as is Norder. Now we see, whoa, getting way squirrely is that 5 machine of Jared Clay, and he's going to lose a position. Philpott Weasel Philpott gets around him into that fourth and final transfer. Not sure what happened to the 5 machine of Clay, but he lost a spot, almost like he lost momentum, and then got it right back up. In the meantime, out in front, going to come to White this time. Jason Montgomery, 1.2 second gap over Daniel Diener the last time. 1 lap to go. Jason Montgomery. Slusher gets to choose, and he chose high. Mitch Thomas low. So Anthony Slusher, Mitch Thomas, green is out, 4 in, 4 to go. Thomas, that 97 to the point. Here comes Slusher trying to come back underneath of him. Not going to happen this time. Jeremy Rayburn now 4th on the field. Cole Falloway in 3rd, so it's going to be Thomas, Slusher, Falloway, and Rayburn. And nobody giving up that easy here yet. Going to be 2 to go at the line. Zach Carr, Jeff Conrad, that's your front row. Then it's going to be Reed Bishop, Bob Crace, Josh Harrington, Rich Caldwell. Row number 3, Jake Castle, William Caldwell, your 4th row. Green is out, Zach Carr on the hammer. Zach Carr, here comes Jeff Conrad, trying to hang right there with him. Bob Crace now trying to slide up on the outside. On the inside, that's also going to be the RC10 machine of Reed Bishop. Josh Harrington on that 601 machine. We're trying to go 3 wide, coming off of 4. Meanwhile, out in front, Zach Carr, quick out to that lead. Carr, Conrad. Then it's going to be Bishop and Crace. Josh Harrington in that 5th spot. Again, top 5 transfer. Everybody else comes back for a beat. Zach Carr now starting to stretch it out. Bob Crace in that 4th spot, followed by Josh Harrington in 5th. Zach Carr, Jeff Conrad, Reed Bishop. William Caldwell, Jake Castle, quite a battle back there at the back of the pack. Going to be halfway this time. Zach Carr, Jeff Conrad. Conrad, net. Car number 62, just right now running a great race in that 2nd spot. Reed Bishop and Bob Crace. Crace now has got his hands full. He's got his buddy Josh Harrington hanging right there with him. Crace slides up just a bit. Harrington looked at trying to diamond down under it. Couldn't make it happen that time. And now here comes the 804 machine of Rich Caldwell. Caldwell going to make that one interesting back here. And that's that 5th and final transfer they're back there fighting for. Meanwhile, up in front, it's still going to be Carr, Conrad, Bishop. And then it gets interesting with Crace, Harrington, and Caldwell. White flag coming up this time. Zach Carr, Jeff Conrad in second, followed by Reed Bishop. Bob Crace. Oh, we go. That's it. Keep it going. Good job. Good save on the one machine. William Caldwell. Checkered flag in hand. Give it to the 62 machine. I'm sorry, to the 7 machine of Zach Carr. Second's going to be the 62 of Conrad. Then it's going to be Reed Bishop. Bob Crace, Josh Harrington. Those 5 are going to transfer. Jamie Adams working that high side on the green. Austin Barker tried to slide up there. Not going to happen. Jamie Adams keeps the momentum on the high side. Adams, Barker. That's your front pair. Now here comes the 62 machine of Kyle Payne. Getting ready to go green next time. 4 in, 4 to go. Jamie Adams drops the hammer. And that Nate's Racing Photo start zone. Jamie Adams, Austin Parker. Kyle Payne, Adam Lawson. Caution on the Speedway. Jamie Adams going to walk it down the backstretch. He's going to hit that Nate's Racing Photos restart zone in corner number 4. Austin Barker going to hang right there with him, do his best he can to get to jumping. Jamie Adams once again works that car down the front stretch through 1 and 2. Kyle Payne tried to close the gap up on Austin, but that's not going to happen this time. Jamie Adams works it up on the high side. Austin Barker, Kyle Payne. Then it's going to be Adam Lawson and James Cox. Lawson works it way high, coming through 3 and 4 that time. Trying to work through the technical part of the racetrack. Less than 2 to go for Jamie Adams. This time, Austin's hanging closer with him. Jamie Adams, Austin Parker. Kyle Payne. White flag this time. It's going to be Adam Lawson, James Cox. Cox now's got pressure coming. He's got Joe Williams in that 72 machine putting the pressure on him. Joe trying to work into a transfer spot in that 72 machine. In the meantime, at the front, here comes the checkered flag for the 42 machine of Jamie Adams. Second, that's going to be Austin Barker in the 2. Kyle Payne in the 62. Adam Lawson and James Cox going to round out your transfer order. Looking like Joe Williams in that 72 machine starting to get a little more comfy in that race car.